Hello, here are two simple tricks to save money on 99% of items sold on AliExpress. Before I continue, here is a proof of savings on that pair of sunglasses without using a promo code, and that will work for all countries around the world anytime. First, let's open AliExpress and find an item to buy. If you don't have an AliExpress account, you can use my link in the description below and get an additional coupon. Let's assume I want to buy this pair of sunglasses. I will choose the blue color. As you can see, if I buy this pair of sunglasses, it will cost me $12.44. But I will show you how to get this cheaper. Go back to the product page and click on the product image. Now click on the small camera icon and AliExpress will show you all the different sellers that is selling this pair of sunglasses. As you can see, there are different sellers selling the same pair of sunglasses for different prices. Pick the lowest price and add it to your cart. Now that same pair of sunglasses is $9.01, but I will show you how you can get it even cheaper than $9. Go back to AliExpress homepage and click on account. Now click on coins. Now click on discount finder. Most of the time on this page you will find the same pair of sunglasses that we have added to the cart. I will choose the same blue color and click on buy now, and you will see the price have dropped to $7.07. This is a savings of over $5 on this pair of sunglasses. I hope this video has helped you to save some money. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if this have worked for you. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.